Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a custom phrase that Siri can use to tell a SmartGym application to run a shortcut, meaning that when you say a phrase that you have created and added to the application, the app will start a workout or an exercise automatically. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the routines button down below and scroll down till you find a workout session and tap on the relevant one. Now scroll down until you find the Add to Siri button and click on it. Here you should add the customized phrase. For example, SmartGym workout session. Then here is the instruction that Siri needs to carry out, such as start a quick sweat workout. Tap on Add to Siri. So when you say this customized phrase, the workout will be started automatically. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.